What if the fatigue you keep ignoring, the slow healing, the sudden weakness isn't just aging? What if something silent is already developing inside your body right now, without pain, without warning, without obvious signs? Many seniors discover serious illness only after it has quietly progressed for years. And the most unsettling part is this: they felt completely normal. Before you continue, tell us, where are you watching this video from? And what time is it in your city right now? Because at this very moment, your cells are either repairing or slowly weakening. This is not meant to scare you. It is meant to awaken you. Stay with us, because what you're about to learn could change how you see your own health forever. Single day. As we move beyond 60, nutrition transforms from a casual lifestyle preference into a powerful biological tool. Doctors often explain that aging is not simply about growing older. It is about how well the body adapts to internal stress, inflammation, and cellular damage. Every day, billions of cells in your body are replaced. Some are repaired perfectly, others accumulate damage. Over time, oxidative stress and chronic inflammation can weaken natural defenses, creating conditions where serious illnesses, including cancer, may develop more easily. This is not meant to alarm you, but to awaken you. Because here is the hopeful truth: the body also has remarkable self-repair mechanisms. It knows how to defend, restore, and regenerate when it is given the right support. And one of the most powerful forms of support comes from the food you choose. Many people underestimate how deeply food influences immune strength. After 60, the immune system naturally becomes less responsive, a process doctors describe as immunosenescence. That means your body may not react to threats as efficiently as it once did, but certain nutrient-dense foods can help stimulate protective responses, reduce unnecessary inflammation, and strengthen cellular resilience. Antioxidants, for example, act like internal guardians. They help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage healthy cells. Over time, excessive free radical damage can contribute to aging and disease, but when you regularly consume foods rich in vitamins, phytonutrients, and anti-inflammatory compounds, you create an internal environment that supports repair rather than breakdown. Think about this for a moment. Every meal is either moving you slightly towards strength or slightly toward weakness. Not dramatically in one day, but gradually, quietly, over months and years. The body responds to patterns, not isolated moments. A single healthy meal will not transform your life, but consistent, intentional nourishment can shift the direction of your health journey. That is why doctors repeatedly emphasize balance, diversity, and whole foods instead of quick fixes or miracle cures. There is no single food that eliminates cancer risk. There is no magical ingredient that guarantees protection. But there are patterns of eating that support cellular health and reduce risk factors significantly. After 60, the body's repair systems also become more dependent on quality nutrients. Protein helps maintain muscle mass and supports tissue regeneration. Healthy fats assist in controlling inflammation. Fiber supports gut health. And emerging research shows that the gut microbiome plays a powerful role in immune function. Micronutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium, and zinc contribute to antioxidant defenses. Phytochemicals found in colorful fruits and vegetables influence gene expression and cellular communication in ways scientists are still discovering. When you combine these elements through thoughtful food choices, you create a foundation that strengthens your natural defense system. But here is something even deeper. Nutrition is not only physical, it is psychological. When you choose foods that support your body, you send a message to yourself that your health matters, that you are worth protecting, that aging is not decline, but transformation. Many seniors feel powerless when confronted with discussions about cancer or chronic illness, yet empowerment begins with knowledge. It begins with realizing that while you cannot control everything, you can control what you place on your plate. That daily decision is an act of quiet strength. Imagine your body as a house that has stood for more than 60 years. The structure is still strong, but it needs maintenance. The paint must be refreshed, the foundation inspected, the wiring updated. Food becomes the maintenance system. It supplies the materials required for repair. It reduces the strain placed on weakened systems. It supports resilience during times of stress. When doctors speak about prevention, they often focus not only on screening and treatment, but on lifestyle patterns that reduce underlying inflammation and oxidative damage long before disease appears. So today is not about fear of illness. It is about embracing responsibility and possibility. It is about recognizing that your body is still capable of repair, that cellular regeneration does not stop at 60, that your immune system, though slower, is not helpless. With the right nutrients, it can respond more effectively. With anti-inflammatory foods, you can calm unnecessary internal stress. With antioxidant-rich choices, you can protect healthy cells from avoidable damage. The question is not whether aging happens. It will. The question is how you choose to support your body through it. And as we continue, you may discover that some of the most powerful tools for long-term strength have been within reach all along. There is a moment in life when awareness becomes more powerful than comfort, and that moment often arrives quietly after 60. You begin to notice that recovery takes longer, that fatigue feels heavier, that the body does not respond with the same speed it once did. At first, it seems small, almost insignificant. But beneath those subtle shifts, a deeper biological transformation is unfolding. Cells communicate differently. Inflammatory signals linger longer. The immune system becomes more cautious, sometimes less precise. Doctors frequently explain that this stage of life is not weakness, but transition. Yet, transition demands attention, because, if ignored, small imbalances can slowly grow into larger threats. And here's where suspense enters the picture. What if the greatest risk is not what you see, but what you overlook daily? Inside your body, an invisible war is constantly being fought. Free radicals move through tissues, searching for stability, colliding with healthy cells, creating microscopic damage. Normally, antioxidant systems neutralize them. But when oxidative stress overwhelms these defenses, damage accumulates. DNA repair mechanisms become strained. Inflammatory pathways activate repeatedly. Over years, this environment can create fertile ground for disease. This is not dramatic fiction. It is cellular reality. Yet the hopeful truth remains that you are not a passive observer in this process. Every bite you take influences that internal battlefield. The nutrients you provide can either strengthen your natural defense army or leave it underprepared. Consider the role of deeply colored fruits and vegetables. Their vibrant pigments are not merely beautiful, they contain powerful phytochemicals that act as protective compounds. Doctors often discuss how antioxidants like beta-carotene, flavonoids, and lycopene support cellular integrity. These compounds help neutralize free radicals before they damage DNA. Over time, consistent intake of such nutrients may reduce the burden of oxidative stress. Think about leafy greens rich in folate and vitamin K, berries filled with polyphenols, tomatoes abundant in lycopene. These are not miracle cures, but they are strategic allies in your body's defense system. Then there are foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as certain fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent contributors to many age-related illnesses. While inflammation is a natural response to injury, persistent low-grade inflammation can slowly disrupt healthy tissues. Omega-3 fatty acids help modulate inflammatory signals, creating a more balanced internal environment. Doctors emphasize that reducing unnecessary inflammation supports overall resilience. When the body is not constantly fighting internal fires, it can dedicate more energy to repair and immune surveillance. Fiber, often underestimated, plays a critical role in this story. The gut microbiome, a complex community of trillions of bacteria, directly influences immune strength and even cellular signaling pathways. After 60, changes in diet and medication can disrupt this delicate ecosystem. High-fiber foods such as legumes, whole grains, and vegetables feed beneficial gut bacteria. In return, these bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that help regulate inflammation and support immune function. Imagine that. By nourishing your gut, you are indirectly strengthening your body's ability to defend itself. What seems like a simple bowl of lentils or a serving of oats becomes part of a sophisticated biological strategy. Protein also deserves careful attention. Muscle mass naturally declines with age, a process known as sarcopenia. Reduced muscle mass can weaken overall resilience and recovery capacity. Adequate protein intake supports tissue repair and immune cell production. Lean sources such as beans, fish, eggs, and moderate portions of high-quality animal protein provide essential amino acids required for rebuilding cells. Doctors frequently remind seniors that protein needs do not decrease dramatically with age. In fact, quality protein becomes even more important for maintaining strength and repair mechanisms. Yet, here's where many people misunderstand the message. They look for a single superfood, a magic ingredient, a guaranteed shield against cancer. But the body does not operate on shortcuts. It responds to patterns, consistency, and balance. 5 powerful foods can support your system, yes, but only when integrated into a broader lifestyle of mindful eating, adequate hydration, movement, and rest. Health is not built in one meal. It is built in thousands of small, repeated decisions. Now pause and reflect. What does your typical plate look like? Is it filled with vibrant colors and natural textures, or dominated by processed convenience? This is not about guilt, it is about awareness. Many seniors grew up in times when food choices were limited or heavily processed. Options became normalized, but knowledge evolves. Medical research continues to uncover deeper connections between nutrition and long-term health. Doctors now speak not only about treating disease, but about empowering prevention through daily habits. And here is the suspenseful truth that many do not realize until it is too late. Cancer often develops silently over years. It does not announce itself loudly in the beginning. It forms quietly, cell by cell, influenced by genetics, environment, and lifestyle factors. While no diet can eliminate risk entirely, dietary patterns rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, fiber, and quality protein can create an internal environment less supportive of abnormal cell growth. That knowledge is powerful. It shifts you from passive concern to active participation. Imagine your body as a garden. If you continuously plant nourishing seeds and remove harmful weeds, the soil becomes fertile and balanced. But if neglect allows weeds to dominate, restoration becomes harder over time. Your daily food choices are the seeds. The internal environment of your body is the soil. Doctors can guide, screen, and treat when necessary, but the daily cultivation belongs to you. This is not about perfection. It is about direction. Even small improvements can accumulate into meaningful change. Adding 1 serving of leafy greens, replacing processed snacks with nuts or fruit, including fatty fish twice a week, drinking more water. These are not dramatic transformations overnight, but they are consistent signals to your body that it is supported. As we continue, you will see how these 5 powerful foods are not isolated heroes, but part of a deeper philosophy of aging with intention. Because the real goal is not simply to fight disease. It is to build strength, preserve independence, and honor the remarkable body that has carried you for more than 6 decades. And the choices you make today quietly shape the resilience you will rely on tomorrow. By the time you reach this stage of life, you have already overcome challenges that once felt impossible. You have seen seasons change, watched people come and go, endured moments of fear and moments of triumph. Your body has carried you through all of it, silently repairing cuts, fighting infections, adapting to stress, and rebuilding itself again and again. It deserves attention not because it is failing, but because it is still fighting for you every single day. The final truth is not about 5 specific foods alone. It is about the philosophy behind them. It is about understanding that nourishment is not simply fuel. It is communication. Every time you eat, you are sending instructions to your cells. You are either encouraging resilience or allowing unnecessary strain. And even after 60, your cells are listening. There is something deeply empowering about realizing that aging does not automatically mean decline. Doctors often remind their patients that while genetics load the gun, lifestyle can influence whether the trigger is pulled. This does not guarantee outcomes, but it changes probabilities. The body has built-in repair systems designed to correct errors in DNA replication, to eliminate abnormal cells, and to maintain balance. These systems may slow with age, but they do not disappear. They respond to support. When you consume antioxidant-rich foods, you reduce the burden of oxidative stress. When you choose anti-inflammatory nutrients, you calm chronic internal irritation. When you prioritize fiber and gut health, you strengthen immune communication. When you consume adequate protein, you preserve muscle stability and recovery capacity. Each decision reinforces the other, creating a network of protection rather than a single line of defense. It is important to understand that fear is not the goal here. Fear can paralyze. Awareness mobilizes. Cancer is a word that carries emotional weight, especially for seniors who may have witnessed friends or family members face it. But empowerment begins when you shift from fear to informed action. Doctors across the world emphasize prevention strategies not because they promise certainty, but because they reduce risk and improve overall vitality. The body thrives in environments of balance. It struggles in environments of excess sugar, chronic stress, sedentary habits, and nutrient deficiency. By focusing on powerful whole foods, you create conditions where healthy cells flourish and abnormal processes find less opportunity to grow. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your breakfast is not just filling your stomach but strengthening your immune surveillance. Picture your lunch supplying antioxidants that protect your DNA from daily environmental stressors. Think of your dinner providing the amino acids required for tissue repair overnight. These are not dramatic cinematic moments. They are quiet victories happening inside you. The true transformation is often invisible. You may not feel antioxidants neutralizing free radicals. You may not sense fiber nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. But over time, your energy stabilizes, your recovery improves, your resilience strengthens. There is also a mental shift that accompanies intentional nourishment. When you make choices aligned with long-term health, you reinforce a mindset of self-respect. Aging becomes an active journey rather than a passive surrender. Many seniors believe that damage has already been done, that it is too late to make meaningful change. Yet research consistently shows that improvements in diet can yield measurable benefits even later in life. Blood markers improve, inflammation markers decrease. Muscle strength can be maintained longer. The body responds to positive change at nearly any age. It may not respond as rapidly as it did at 30, but it responds nonetheless. This is where consistency becomes more important than intensity. Dramatic, short-lived diet changes rarely produce lasting benefits. Sustainable habits do. Incorporating leafy greens regularly rather than occasionally. Choosing berries or citrus instead of sugary desserts most of the time. Adding legumes or whole grains to meals instead of relying solely on refined carbohydrates, including healthy fats like olive oil and nuts. Selecting fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These repeated patterns create cumulative impact. Over months and years, they shape internal biology. Doctors often speak of lifestyle medicine as a cornerstone of modern healthcare. Screening tests and medical treatments remain essential, especially as we age. But prevention and resilience-building strategies complement those interventions. They work quietly in the background, reducing baseline inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, supporting immune vigilance. It is a partnership between professional medical care and personal daily responsibility. Neither replaces the other. Together, they create stronger protection. And perhaps the most powerful realization is this: your body is not your enemy. It is not betraying you simply because you are aging. It is adapting. It is asking for different support than it did decades ago. Listening to that request is an act of wisdom. Nourishing yourself with intention is an act of courage. You may not control every outcome, but you can influence your internal environment profoundly. The 5 powerful foods discussed are not magical shields, they are tools. When combined with balanced lifestyle choices, regular medical checkups, and guidance from qualified doctors, they form part of a comprehensive approach to healthy aging. The story of your health is still being written. Every meal is a sentence, every habit is a paragraph, every year adds another chapter. The question is not whether time will pass, it will. The question is whether you will participate actively in shaping how you experience those years. You have the capacity to strengthen your body's natural repair systems. You have the ability to reduce unnecessary inflammation. You have the power to support immune balance. And that power rests in daily, consistent action. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.